So the vibrancy in the IPO market here to stay. And what has changed for Ida and Tata Tech, that within a week, these days the IPO cycle is 3 days, within a week, you see magic happening. Atul Mehra, who's taken many companies public, he's seen many cycles where sometimes IPOs do well, IPOs don't do well. Well, he joins us now. And I must say that I'm seeing him after a long time. That's a 20 kg lighter Atul Mehra now? Is it true?
I don't think so. Thank you, Nikunj. Thanks for inviting me to your show.
What has changed in the IPO market and why are we getting these crazy subscription numbers and these magical listings?
Well, you need to step back a little bit, and it's the theme what we call as the financialization of saving. This is a very important trend which we believed in and which we are seeing play out in India in a very big way. More and more Indians are getting attracted towards putting their money or savings into the capital market, either directly or indirectly. What you're seeing in the market today is a culmination of all this activity, and which is a good thing. The money coming into the capital markets is being productively used to set up new companies, to set up new growth capacities, and all this in long run will add and play out to adding to the country's GDP. And as you know, market cap is a function of the GDP. So today we have a $4 trillion market cap. We hope and we believe strongly that in a matter of 2 to 3 years time, this will be a $6 trillion market cap listed companies in India.
Atul, the old school thought, which both you and me have learned from market gurus, is that the excitement in the IPO market is an indication of market top. And now it is, if I may use a Hindi phrase, everybody's is dancing on a chance. Chance pe dance.
Not really, I would tell you. What has changed in the market? The breadth in the market has changed, number one. Okay, and this comes to the point that the participation is more broad based. Number two, the quality of companies which are getting listed, particularly I can speak on behalf of JM Financial. We take great pride in sponsoring high quality companies to the market. And a combination of the two, high quality companies along with adequate or more than adequate liquidity in the market, is yielding phenomenal listing gains.
Atul, there is a view that corporates don't leave too much money on the table. Everybody wants more, and IPOs are priced to perfection. But this week, forget about Tata Tech, even IDA and the other IPOs also, they've had a bumper listing. Why is that? Why is that in 3 days stocks suddenly give you on a listing 50, 60, 100% gains?
No. You don't get too focused or too myopic on this 1 week. What you have to look at, this current financial year is a great year for the capital markets. We had done a lot many transactions than the previous year. We are raising a lot more money than the capital markets this year, and we see a great year ahead. It's not only these two IPOs. Nikunj, I promise you there are a whole host of issues which are there in the pipeline, which JM is managing and few others are also managing. These are high quality issues, and don't be surprised, they will get the same kind of response from the market. What you also need to respect is the great SEBI has been working very, very proactively in reducing the time frame from making an application to listing. Now it's no longer an era where we grew up, where it would take 45 days to 30 days to 15 days. And now you have a situation where your start, finish, issue closes, and listing happens in 3 working days. Now this is a great achievement, and what is happening is the velocity of money comes into play. I can utilize the money better, investors can utilize the money better, and therefore you are seeing a greater response in the IPOs.
I just want to go back to that point and then we'll wrap the show. We'll not extend our appointment with you. Can we dismiss this old school thought that excitement in IPO market is a market top? You think that's a very simple but not the right way of looking at the health of the equity market?
Nikunj, my view is any lessons or any textbook that you have learned in your business school or my business school, we should not discount it. It's a lesson which is very valuable. But what you have to accept the reality, the fact to look at Tata Technologies today. I believe half an hour back I had checked around 65 lakh shares have got traded in the market. So 65 lakhs is a lot of volume. If 65 lakh shares have traded, that means there have been sellers and there have, more importantly, there have been buyer at these prices. So you have to respect the price. As they say in Hindi, as you use the phrase, I will also use one phrase, bhav bhagwan hai. Okay. Price is a reflection of the ultimate truth.
Just want viewers that Atul and me have interacted on various forums for about 25 years now, and he's one of the smartest investment bankers I have come across with. He just knows the pulse of the market, and if he's saying that right now excitement in the IPO market is not an indication of a market top, then you got to trust me for that. It's so nice to have you, my friend, back on the show. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.